In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start with Trainerize. Trainerize is a powerful platform for coaches to deliver programs, manage clients, and streamline communication. And we'll walk you through the essential setup so you're ready to coach confidently. Start by heading to trainerize.com and choosing Start Free Trial or Sign Up. Enter your basic details, including your business information and email, then create a secure password and log into your new studio dashboard. This is your command center, so take a moment to look around and get comfortable with the layout. Next, set up your coach profile. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and add a clear profile picture, your coach name, a short bio that highlights your approach and your contact information. Save your changes. This makes you official inside the app and helps clients recognize you immediately. Now configure your business or studio settings. Go to settings and update your business name, upload your logo, pick brand colors that match your visual identity, and set your time zone so scheduling is accurate. Turn on the notifications you want to receive, and if you like, customize onboarding messages to match your tone and process. If you plan to sell programs, connect payments, go to payments and link Stripe or PayPal. Once connected, create your first paid product, whether it's a one-time program or a subscription. This activates your ability to earn directly through Trainerize. Tip: give your product a clear name and description so clients know exactly what they're buying. Add your first client by going to Clients and clicking Add New Client. Choose whether they're a one-on-one client, part of a group, or a basic client with free access. Enter their name and email, then send the invite. A quick welcome note goes a long way in setting expectations. Build your first training program by opening programs and selecting new program. Choose a reusable master program for scalability or a client program for a single person. Add phases, then weeks, then workouts, and pull exercises from the library or upload your own videos. Save when you're done. Schedule workouts to your client's calendar. Open the client, click calendar, pick a date, and add workout. You can also drop in cardio sessions, habits, or nutrition goals. Repeat across the month so clients always know what's coming. Customize onboarding automation under automation. Set a welcome message, a week 1 check-in, reminders, and habit prompts. These timely nudges help clients stay engaged. Finally, track progress from the Progress tab, reviewing body stats, weight, photos, personal records, compliance, workout history, and habit tracking. Keep communication strong using built-in chat, voice notes, video messages, group threads, and automated reminders. Consistent coaching and clear touch points